Hello there, this is the design we're going to work on today. Yeah, so without further ado, let's jump right into the video. First thing I want to do here is to get the images, just 3 images together, right? So I'm going to click here, I'm going to come here, I'll get the circle, put it here, right? So I'm going to add this. Let's add this. Let's bring it here. Alright. Alright, so let's copy. Let's put this one here. Alright, let's change the image to this. Okay. Let's reduce it. Right, then let's copy again that. Here. Let's change the image. So this. So you can get any image of your choice. So I'm just using this one because it's for practice, right? Okay, so I've gotten the images I want. I'm going to add an outline to it. The outline is going to be this 7, not bad, 7, right? 7, right? 7. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. So that's like 7. Let's make it. Let's increase it to maybe 9. 9. Alright, so I'm going to save it, right? So just save it. Make sure that it is centralized, everything is steady. So let's do this. Redo. Then we can save. Alright, so we'll save that. Okay, so this has been saved, so let's delete them. Alright, so let's come back to what do we use as the background. Alright, everyone looks like a blurry background. Alright, so let's get something that we can use. It looks like a blurry background, right? So let's come here. Go to this website that we can use to blur backgrounds of pictures. So let's look for a picture that we can blur the background. So I'm going to head on to pins and look for an image that I'm going to really blur the background. Okay, just go. Alright, so let's see this. Alright, so I'm going to upload it. Alright, then just make sure the background is very blurry, very blurry. Then apply, then save to your device. Alright, so it's going to be saving no time. Alright, so I'm going to import that background. Alright, so this is it. So all I'm going to do here is just to drag it like this, and I'll reduce this, I'll increase this, just a little, I'll increase this. Alright, so just increase this a little. Then try to see if you can get the color. Alright, the color looks like this a little. Then alright, so I'm still going to drag it like this. Alright, so let's bring in some of the stuff we're going to be working with now. So I'm bringing in this guy here first. Alright, so I'm going to adjust it right here. Here like this. Alright, then that image that we'll first made, we're going to bring it here. So we'll simply adjust the image here, stretch it here. Alright, this image, bring it here. Alright, so we can stretch it a little like this. Let's increase it. Okay, push it up there. Then we can come here and change the color to black and white. We can increase this. Can increase this. Alright, see that now. Then what we'll do here is bring this picture. We have this picture of Apostle Joshua Selman like this, facing this other side. Alright, carrying this guy. which I'm going to use to blend this background here. Alright, so just click on here, click here, go over here. Right, so let's get the original image. The blue in the original design looks like a cyan blue, so we can pick it from the original design. So come here, here. Alright, so you can pick that from there. Okay, you can copy it and spread it around this area, this region. And there's another blue there, this one here. This one, we'll spread it here around this region here. Increase it. Alright, then bring this to the front, then bring this to the front. Alright, then we can bring. Alright, so we can come over here, lock this one, then move this. That is, just drag it like this. Alright, so let it go to the back. Then this guy can go to the back. So this is what we have, right? Alright, so we can come here, copy this one that went to the back, this one here, copy it. What did I do? Didn't copy, so copy it, send this one to the back, send this one to the back. Then this one here, okay. Bring it here like this. Bring it here. Just come here and increase the color. Yep. Alright, so we'll bring it there. Then we can bring this guy here. Right, bring this one to the front. Alright, so then we can bring this guy now right out. Right, so we can bring the logo. Here's the logo. Alright, so let's bring this guy. Let's rotate it like this. Let's drag it like this. Let's put it there. Let's do this. Right, so let's bring that to the front and reduce the opacity there. Right. So right here we have the miracle service, right? Miracle, then service. Alright, so I'm going to use this font right here. Right, so using that, come here, centralize this. Right, close it up, find space. Right, if you increase it, reduce it here like this. So bring it here, and that region is not clear because there is this net kind of background there. So just come here and make it black. Right, so it's not so obvious to do it like this. February edition. So just type here February 2025. Then come here, you centralize it. Then you reduce it here. Close the line spacing a little. Right. So there's a line across board here. Just bring it here. Bring it here. Do it like this. So just go to the middle, just do like this. Okay, then reduce this guy here, adjust it. Okay, obviously clean this part. Right, so here it says healing deliverance and salvation. Right, so after we fix that, we can bring in this image right here. Okay, this image of apostle. Right, so we can bring it right here. We can just reduce it like this, bring it here, still reduce it, drag it here. Right, just bring it here like this. Right, so we can come here and we can bring in this guy, where this one. Right, it's going to be just right here. Okay, put it there. Then we can bring in this thunder. Where is it? This guy here. It's going to be around. It's around here. Okay. Copy it. Put some here. Then bring this apostle's picture to the front. Okay. Clean part of it. This one. Clean the top part. Yeah. Okay. Then copy these one. Copy and put it here. Send it to the back. Send this one to the back too. Right, so we have something like that. Okay. So I even want to bring this guy here. Alright, bring it here. Increase this. Right. Then copy this one. Right, and bring it here. Right, then bring this to the front of it. Then let's try to write all this other information that are here, like the date, the time. So right here we're going to put in Sunday, February. So we'll use this color for this one. Right, reduce it, put it there. Okay. So it says there Sunday, February. So it's Sunday 23rd. Okay, February 2025. So we'll just use this one font here. Don't forget to like the video and share it with a friend. Tell me where you're watching from so that I can connect with you. So I'm going to reduce this. I'm going to come here and I'll do this. Alright, then I'm going to bring it here. Increase it a little. Alright, then it says here 5 p.m. Alright, 5 p.m. So 5 p.m. So just change this one to white. Increase it here. Okay. Alright, so when I get a shape here, I'm gonna put it here like this. I'm gonna do this. Reduce this and bring this one. 1, 2, 3. Change to white. Alright, so we can zoom in like this so that we can see exactly what we're doing. Lock this guy and bring this guy here. So 5 p.m. W blah 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 blah. So come here, do this. Right, so we'll bring this guy here, reduce it, still reduce it. Okay, send this to the back like this. Right, then bring this guy here. Right, Koinonia Abuja. Address. Just paste it like this. Then you can just reduce it like this. Alright, so I'm going to move everything here to the top, like this, 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 and this, and this, and this. Which one again? Miracle service. I'm going to move all to the top like this. Alright, so this is what we have. Okay, so something is missing that I have not moved to the top. So when you are done with your design, then you can save. Now, what will make the design come out very well is you enhance the design. Alright, so we can do that with another platform. So let me save it now. So come to Snapseed, import the design that I saved. Right, after you've imported the design, you can just come here, click on details, sharpen. Alright, then come here, go to tune image. Alright, go to saturation and try to tune the image. Right, ambience, shadow, want. Right, you can come again, click on detail, go to structure, do this, enable, then go back to details, go to sharpen, and do this. So in the end, this is what we'll have. Don't forget to like the video, share with your friend, and drop a comment. Tell me where you're watching from, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.